Coloring the zoo animals. Hey kids, meet Ellie the elephant. But wait, Ellie's missing something. Can you guess what? That's right. Let's color Ellie in gray, just like a real elephant. Look, here's Leo the lion. What color should we use for him? Leo's bright and yellow. Now he looks perfect. And here's Polly the parrot. What color does Polly need? Wow! Polly is full of bright colors. Red, green, and blue. Whoa! Look who's here! It's Jerry the giraffe! What colors do you think Jerry should be? Nice! Jerry's yellow with brown spots reaching up to the tall trees. Oh, here's Ziggy the zebra. What pattern do zebras have? Ziggy has cool black and white stripes, just like a zebra should. Say hello to Timmy the turtle. What color should his shell be? Great choice. Timmy's shell is green and brown. He loves taking it slow. Look who waddled in. It's Penny the penguin. What color should we use for Penny? Cool. Penny's black and white with a bright orange beak. She loves to slide on the ice. Great job, kids! What animal would you like to color next? Swinging into the scene is Mikey the monkey. What color should we make Mikey? That's right, Mikey is brown and ready to climb some trees. A graceful flamingo named Fifi. What color should we give her? Perfect. Fifi is a bright pink flamingo standing tall on one leg. Now here's Danny the dolphin. What color should Danny be? Awesome! Danny's blue and loves to splash in the water. Here comes Kiki the kangaroo. What color should Kiki be? Great job! Kiki is tan, and look at her hopping around with her little Joey. Wow, it's Poppy the peacock with her beautiful feathers. What color should we use for Poppy? Beautiful! Poppy's feathers are blue, green, and purple, and she looks so fancy. Look at our amazing zoo! Thanks for helping us color all these fantastic animals, kids. Keep exploring and keep coloring. Thank you, bye-bye, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.